Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Microsoft Dynamics 365 full. To register with Microsoft Dynamics 365, begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Microsoft Dynamics 365. Press enter to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, look for the Sign Up or Get Started button. Click on that button to begin the registration process. You will be redirected to a page that presents different plans for Microsoft Dynamics 365. Select the plan that best fits your business needs. After making your selection, click on the Next button. You will now see a form requesting your email address. Enter a valid business email address in the space provided. After entering your email, click on the Next button again. A verification email will be sent to the address you provided. Check your email inbox for the verification message. Open the email and click on the verification link. This will redirect you back to the Microsoft Dynamics 365 registration page. Now, fill out the required information, including your name and company details. Next, create a strong password for your account. Re-enter your password to confirm it matches. After filling out the form, review the terms and conditions. If you agree, check the box to accept them. Then, click on the Sign Up button to submit your information. You might be required to provide additional information, such as your phone number. Follow the prompts to complete any necessary verification. Once all steps are completed, you will be signed into your new Microsoft Dynamics 365 account. Take a moment to explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with the interface. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Microsoft Dynamics 365. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.